Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make the body of a baby booty. Actually, I have the link. I made a video of this sole, so I'll be dropping the link in the description button for you to check it out. So this is the part 2 of the video. So I'll be showing you how to make the body of the baby booty for all sizes. It's after you finish the body that you will make any design of your choice. Hope you understand. So for this baby shoe, I'll be using 2 colors. So I'll be slip stitching with the other color of the shoe. I'll be making a slip knot and changing the color with this new, slip stitching with this new color. Chain 1, gently tie at the back. I'll be cutting off this particular color because I'm done with it. Yeah. Now let's continue. I've made a chain 1. Right now we'll be making 1 half double crochet in all the stitches round. In the part 1 of this video, I explained that we'll be working into this slip stitch area. This is very last stitch. Yeah, that is slip stitch. But for the body, we won't be working on the stitch. Now let's start. 1 half double crochet into the very first stitch. It might be hard to locate, but I will advise you use a tapestry needle to open the hole very well. So this is the first stitch. Yarn over and insert your hook. So we are working on the back loop only. Back loop only. Right from the beginning. Back loop only. We are making 1 half double crochet on the back loop only. One half double crochet in the back loop only. So right now, just gently, remember we are now crocheting into this slip stitch area. We are slip stitching into this first stitch, chain 1. So next we are going to be making another row of 1 half double crochet, but this time around into the both loops, both front and back loops. So crochet round. So I'll show you what to do next. 1 half double crochet in the last stitch, but not into this turning stitch. Hope you understand. Not into this turning stitch, and slip stitch into this very first stitch to that chain 1 stitch. Right now we are making 1 single crochet in the first stitch and single crochet 2 together. 1 single crochet in the very first stitch, single crochet 2 together in the next. This is how to go about it. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Insert your hook to the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull everything through. So we have reduced at this point. Next is to make 1 single crochet in the next 11 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 11. Don't forget that. Okay, I would advise you watch the part 1 of this video. I explained there that for the subsequent sizes, a bigger or smaller size to this particular one I'm making, just add or reduce 1. Don't forget that you are just adding or you are removing 1 on this side. That is, instead of the 11 stitches, it will be either 10 stitches or 12 stitches. Hope you understand. So we are just adding or removing one on both sides. So next is to make half double crochet two together in the next stitch. This is how to go about it. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull everything through. That is our half double crochet reduction. So one half double crochet the next two stitches. Now we are making this reduction and half double crochet the next two stitches in a total of 5. That is 5 sets. So this is the first set. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull everything through. So one half double crochet the next two stitches. That is second set. So on the third set, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull everything through. One half double crochet the next two stitches. This is the beginning of our reduction, plus one half double crochet the next two stitches. One set, two set, third set, fourth set and fifth set. Now on the next stitch we are making a reduction. One half double crochet, two together. So this is the final for this upper part. Next is to make one single crochet in the next 11 stitches. One. So we are going to make our single crochet reduction. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. So I made a decrease there and I did one single crochet on the last stitch. I slip stitch. Chain one. Now I want you to watch carefully. I'll be crocheting into this first stitch. I'll be jumping onto this stitch. But when I get to this ending, I'll crochet into this slip stitch area. Reason is that I want this starting point to come back to the middle. I want to shift it to the middle. So I'm making one single crochet in the next 14 stitches. Sorry, I said we are skipping this one. So 1, 2, 3, 13 and 14. So now we are making one half double crochet in the next stitch. One half double crochet two together. That is half double crochet two together, one and the second one. That is a decrease. So now we are going to be making one double crochet two together 4 times, and this is how we go about it. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through the rest. So we go about this 4 times. Third and fourth. Now I'm going to be making half double crochet 2 together, one half double crochet, single crochet in the next 14 stitches, 1 2 3 12 13 and 14 into this turning stitch. Insert your hook into the first stitch. So these are our baby shoes now. Next is to make a chain 1 and continue our work. Now we are going to making single crochet in the next stitch. You are working here right under this first stitch. One single crochet in the first stitch. So now we are going to be reducing on the second one. One single crochet 2 together. Next is to make one single crochet in the next 10 stitches. 1 2 3 9 and 10. Now we are going to be making half double crochet 2 together in the next 2 stitches. This is what we have. Now I want to make double crochet 2 together in the next 3, that is 3 times. 1 2 and 3. Half double crochet 2 together in the next stitch. Next is to make one single crochet in the next 10 stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Single crochet 2 together, one single crochet in the last stitch, slip stitch. So this is the end of our part 2. Look at how beautiful our baby shoe is. Look at how perfect the front is. So after making the basic of the shoe like this, next is to create the designs you want. And I have few designs you can make out of this, either for baby boy or for baby girl. But either of the two, this is the basic of the baby shoe. Look at how simple, beautiful and firm it is. By reducing on this end, the shoe won't fall off the baby's leg. This place won't be open, so it's to be firm on baby's leg. Thanks for watching this video to the end, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Tell me wherever you are chatting from and I'll give a shout out in my next video. Thanks for watching to the end and see you in my next video. Bye.